Well, guys, I just can't win. As you maybe have seen from my last couple of videos, I'm gearing up to sell this truck. I just got rear-ended on my anniversary in my last video, so here I am on my way to work. I see everyone jamming on their brakes. I'm like, nah, screw this. Normally I gotta go down to the next exit, but I got off on this one to try and avoid this mess. And there's a sign right there we just passed that said, left lane closed, merge right. And here's the second one, arrow, move over. The third one is also either arrows or says that the lane's closed and to merge to the right. But you get these jerks that want to come flying up on the left-hand side because they're too impatient and they think that they're just going to get ahead of everyone. So I'm like, oh, well, I guess screw me then too, huh? Because the whole reason I took this was to avoid the traffic jam on the interstate, and here I am dealing with more stupid construction. So that blue car that went zinging by in the lane that's closed got in, somebody let him in up there, but we still get this genius in this white Ford pickup and this red SUV of some sort. So, yep, they're there flying up. So I'm fast forwarding here. This was at 3 times. Now we're real time, and so here's what happened. It's my fault. I rear-ended this box truck here. I'm looking to my left to make sure this guy's not going to try and sneak in front of me, and I crunch into the back of the box truck. So if you'll notice here, the box truck, his brake lights are already on because he's riding the brakes, but he is moving. So I look over to make sure this guy's not going to pull over. Then box truck suddenly stops completely, and I did not see the brake lights come on out of my peripherals because the brake lights were already on. So nothing kind of triggered my eyes to go back that way. And this all happened very quickly. I watched the dash cam footage, and it all happened in a matter of under 1.5 seconds. So it was just literally a matter of perfect storm of things going on and not looking the right direction. So my fault. Luckily there was no damage to the box truck. The only damage we could see at all on the box truck was this little guide wheel for the liftgate, but we determined that that was already broken and not from me because at the height that thing was at, it would have messed up my bumper, and my bumper didn't have a scratch on it, and it didn't look like anything fresh had hit there. So we had the police come anyways, just to make sure nobody was hurt. If you looked at my dash cam down there in the corner when we impacted, I was literally going 4 miles an hour. So it could have been much worse, but nonetheless, it just sucks because it was just terrible timing. I just got rear-ended literally 5 days before this, so now I'm really just upset about all of this, and the fact that it's my fault makes it even worse. So here's some pictures from the scene of where it actually happened. Considering I only hit him doing 4 miles an hour, the damage to the Ram unfortunately was pretty significant due to how sturdy the back of the box truck is. It had 1/4-inch thick diamond plate steel, so that's where all those gnarly white scratches on the grill came from. You can see a couple other scratches on the grill. The bug shield is broken. The hood is crinkled and bent upwards because the beak in the center of the hood took literally 90% of the impact. And then here's the other side of the hood, also crinkled and bent up. Then just another front shot here, kind of getting all the damage. You can't see it here, but the headlight on the driver's side has a small crack, which is what I'm most upset about, actually. And then right here, you can see there's the beak of the hood in the dead center where the bug shield is broken, and it's just smashed back. It caught the back of that liftgate really good. So unfortunately, this is the 4th time this truck has been hit. The first due to me, and it's the only vehicle except for my very first one that has had any sort of damage, and I've owned over 30 vehicles. So of course the nicest one is the one getting beaten up. I swear there's just like a target on this thing's back. So unfortunately my plans to sell this are now pushed back. I may end up keeping this for winter now since it is 4-wheel drive, has remote start, heated seats, all that. I'm just going to have to continue to pay for it though. And I'm also making payments on that Chevy that I just picked up. So that kind of sucks. Now I'm going to do a little walk around here to show the damages a little bit better back at the house. Obviously you can see the scratches on the grill and the broken bug shield are most prominent in the front. This trim piece above the headlight is popped out, probably broken, and there's some gapping going on around the side there as well. You can see the hood gap and how it's crinkled on the top here. Even in the center here, there's a couple little kinks going on. And now the front right quarter fender hits the door here. when you open it, you can see the little white mark right here where it's making contact. So the front quarter fender here must have got pushed back just enough. Then coming around the front here, broken bug shield again, and there's that little beak. You can see it's just jammed down. I have not tried to open the hood here. Even if I could get it open, I'm scared it won't close, and I need to be able to drive this to the body shop. Here's all those scratches from the diamond plate steel on the back of the lift gate from the box truck. And another pretty good scrape here on the driver's side of the grill. Then a little bit of scraping going on the sides there. And here's what I'm most upset about is the headlight crack. This is probably going to cause moisture, and if not for that crack, the headlight would be completely fine. And these are not cheap headlights, so that has me upset. The panel above the headlight, again, loose with some big gaps going on front and back, and then an even bigger bulge in the hood with more crinkling going on the driver's side here. So yeah, quite a bit of damage for a 4-mile-an-hour impact, because, you know, you got a 5,500 pound truck with aluminum and mostly plastic in the front colliding with a 26,000 pound truck that's got a steel rear end. So yeah, this sucks. I talked to my insurance company, and since the other guy that rear-ended me, you know, I've already got an auto body appointment set up anyways, so I'm going to bring this thing in and have them figure out what's going on as far as how much it's going to cost to fix the front end as well while they're looking at it. Basically, I called my insurance company and they said my truck insurance is going to go up $50 a month for the next 3 years before I can start earning safe driver again. So that's going to calculate to about $1,800 over the 3 years, plus my deductible's $500, so $2,300. So if the damages here exceed $2,300, it's not worth paying out of pocket. I may as well just claim it, and I have a feeling it is going to be more than $2,300. So just going to have it all looked at, front and rear, and see what we're going to do here. But I'm guessing I'm going to claim it and have to get this thing all fixed up. And then I don't know how long it's going to take to fix. The truck market might not be as high anymore after that, so my whole plan to sell this thing and make money may be all for nothing anyways. So keep you guys updated. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Any questions, comment down below. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.